So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start cutting this box off.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm work. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm work. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning, like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just get mine, I'm mounting the cone. This ain't a persona.
I have this Honda Pilot. This one got popped in the front end. I believe these frame rails are knocked over a little bit. I don't know for sure until I measure it, but I think they are. It's gonna get this new corner box over here and a little repair on the radiator support. And I'm gonna square up the frame rails, assuming they need it. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in clamps and get it measured out and see where we're at. So I got this Pilot in clamps. Now I have to pick 5 points in the center section of the car to match the measuring system to the car. And there's all different cones and cups and everything. It tells you what to use. I'm gonna come back here. And I'm gonna go to this point right here. Alright, so now I have it, the measuring system centered to the car, so now I can come up here to the front and make some measurements. Well, this one actually measured out perfectly. I'm actually kind of surprised, but it measures out perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start cutting this box off and get that out of the way, and then go ahead and do my repairs on the radiator support side baffle here. So I got this box ready to weld in. This baffle I tried to repair here. It turns out it's high strength steel. It does not want to move. It's still sucked in here. And high strength steel just does not move like mild steel does. So we actually ordered this piece. So that's gonna get replaced. But I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get this box welded in now just to get that part done. Then I'll get it out of clamps.